to do a design on you can do it how deep you want with the chevrons French, and then start filling it in. And the best way to do before you move on to the next colors, I usually flash key it really quick for like 30 seconds. And that's some there. And don't worry about if it's not perfect, because you are going to have another colors, which is the white on it. Okay. Flash here is really quick. And then we are going to using the white. Give it a good shake. Okay. And then we are going to apply the line. You can do this in white colors or any colors, or even silver, however you would like. It doesn't have to be just the white colors. Flash key at 30 seconds on the black colors will help so much better, because it's not going to bleed it to yours. Okay, and flash key this again. It's gonna be a different look when you're doing on the stiletto shape. Flash key. And then we are going to using the golden, like a gold from illuminating. I'm at right now. And I'm gonna go ahead and fill it in. The bristle is so easy to do and control, and it's so precise. So you can do even half of it. So now is here's the option. You can leave it like this, or you can do it all the way down to keep it this like half of it as a gold. But I like it like this, a little bit different from mine, but I do like it a lot, because just a different than mine. I had the coffin, so it divide like right in half, but I like it like that. Flash key. You can make it thicker or thinner, however you would like. Okay, so I'm gonna do a flash cue. 30 seconds. And then now we can do the crystal placement. So now with this finish, if you want your design to be finished with the matte finish, you are going to using a condensed glue gel and then a matte top coat. So I'm using condensed glue gels. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply it inside I'm gonna keep it inside because we are going to keep the chevron front shiny, and then the inside, which is the part of this nails, will be matte finish. So I'm blending it out. Finish with the matte floating on the top. And don't worry about if you are not going to get it perfectly, because we are going to using the twin tip brush and detail it a little bit later, okay? Just give it some of the finish. All right. So I have, what do I get right here? Oh, perfect. I get a little golden gear. And I am going to using my Ultimate Crystal Kits, which is I did use this colors and this colors for the designs that I did for my nails within these two colors. Like have a goldens, I love it. It's just like have an iridescent, like greenish blue. It looks so different and I love this so much. And this one is perfect for a goldens, like have a champagne golden. So I'm gonna use two of those. And then some of golden gears, and a lot of you will get this in yours, like all of you will get it in yours subs box. So if you want your clock to be right in the middle or up top, or however you would like yours. And then we are going to dress this like golden gears around. Oh my god, this is, I got a wedding ring again here. Here is a wedding ring. You can see the big like crystal, like big diamond right there, the wedding ring. And you're gonna go ahead and add randomly, like however you want. It's so cool and it's really nice. It's not bulky at all, so you can definitely do it along with your crystal placement. You can add however part of yours gears. I think I'm gonna add this one again here.
Oh, this look great.
Looks good.
Look good.
And then now we're gonna add some of the crystal.
Right there, that's perfect.
I'm not using both crystal that I show you, which is like a kind of a golden. This one like have an iridescence, and this one is golden. So we use both of them. If you are doing one, that is absolutely fine too. Whatever you would like. I'm adding some of okay. And then we're gonna add some more golden crystal. I love this crystal, all colors, all bling in the world, just like really cool. It has every colors I needed it. Add some more. You can just random add it on. That's it, and I'm gonna add just a smaller, tiny one. And continue to add some crystal as you prefer. You can add bigger, smaller, however you would like, okay? So now, I'm gonna add some beads on. This kit had all different sizes of beads, so you can use like smaller size or bigger size. I'm gonna add some like different sizes of beads on. Okay. You can add less or more crystal, it doesn't matter. I just want to combine of both of your requests, which is the clocks and the golden gear together. So that's why it's creating a little cute is a wedding ring here. If someone will get like propose, what? You know, for New Year. You never know. This be cool. And then you can keep on and on, because if you don't stop me, I'm gonna cover whole entire, you will never see the earthly colors anymore. So beautiful. Okay, here for 60 seconds.